'Twas on a Monday morning the consultant came to call. We have a specification we don't understand at all. He drew up his schematics, the parts were placed in bins, but he didn't know how to solder, so we got an assembler in. All makes work for the engineer to do. So it was on a Tuesday morning the assembler started work. Your design is awful, the last guy was a jerk. Parts went on the circuit board, wires went in a box, but when he pushed the button, he died from electric shocks. All makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on a Wednesday morning that the safety man came in. There wasn't adequate clearance when looking pin to pin. He tested and he heated, and the internet got killed. And he said that's not my problem, and he made sure we were billed. All makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on a Thursday morning the FCC found our address. The emissions and the noise were terrible and had to be suppressed. She waved around her tenors, she added copper foil, then he shorted out the transformer to add to all the toil. All makes work for the engineer to do. 'Twas on a Friday morning the magnetic man was late. He must be nearly 90, his eyesight wasn't great. He twisted lots of wire, he added tons of lids, and when he was done with it all, the circuits blew to bits. All makes work for the engineer to do. On Saturday and Sunday they do no work at all. So 'twas on the Monday morning the consultant came to call.